In this series, we're going to be signing in with Twitter. So we'll look at everything that we need to get set up, and then we'll actually start to build the functionality to generate tokens, forward the user through to the URL that they need to authenticate with, and then we will obviously, come back, store the user's information, and that's it. So this page at the moment, we've got a sign in with Twitter link. What's actually happened here, if we look at the page source, we have generated a URL here. This is all done with us. We're going to be using a really good library to do this, so we don't actually need to make calls to the Twitter API. That's all sort of masked for us. So we've got this link here. What's basically going to happen is when we click and sign through, or forward through when we sign in, that's going to access the app that I've created in my application management area. We'll be going through how we do this and exactly what information is relevant, as well as things like callback URLs, but it really is fairly straightforward to get this working. So under the Twitter settings, under my account that I'm using to authenticate, which is the PHP Academy Twitter, you can see I've got a few applications here, but not this one. So this will actually be added here once we authenticate with it. So if we hit sign in with Twitter, this just basically gives us a rundown of what it can and can't do. We hit sign in, if not we log in, and there we are signed in. So that information has now been stored in the database. And if I just refresh my applications page, you can see that this application has now been authorized, and I can revoke the access if I need. Now what's going to happen is if I sign out here and I sign in again, if I'm already signed in with Twitter, this will just have a seamless redirect back, and I won't have to authorize the application every single time. So that's another good thing about this. So we're going to be building this. We are going to be setting up the actual app, grabbing the keys and using these keys to actually connect to the API and provide all this useful functionality.